witty people, happy Saturday, and this week on Worldwide Videos we are all giving you kind of an update of sorts. So back in August we all made videos talking about just our thoughts and goals and stuff for the upcoming school year, and now we're just gonna tell you what's up. Lots of stuff is happening on the channel right now, so sitting down and talking is cool. So in my case, my big general goal has pretty much stayed constant from August until now, and that is get into university and not fail and be a hobo. But unlike then, now my auditions are 20 weeks closer. So now I have 4 auditions in total. One of them is in 2 weeks on Valentine's Day, and then the other 3 are between March 8th and March 21st. And that's really scary. I guess lately I've been doing a lot more actual practicing piano, but it's still, I don't know, it's really freaky. I have to get up in front of a panel of people and just kind of like show them what I've been doing all year, so it's kind of like, oh, have I done enough? What's going on? Help me. But overall, I think I've been improving. I feel myself getting better, and I know that I'm gonna suck at a couple elements that I know I'm just personally weak at, but other than that, we're gonna hope I get into the schools I want. Ideally, I'll be able to stay in the city, so that would be nice. But yeah, other than that big goal of just getting into school, I guess I was really looking forward to taking a break and taking a rest for a little bit, and I think I've definitely done that. I've probably spent way too much time on the computer these past few months, but it's definitely been good for me to just kind of like chill out, because I was such a ball of nerves last year. Like, for example, I thought, oh, I'm gonna have so much trouble getting a job in September because my job is gonna end. Did I get a job? Are you kidding? No. I am still worried about getting a job now because I need to actually get one after my auditions are over, so money. And yeah, the whole content, it being on time and stuff has still kind of gone down the drain, but I can say that I have made 20 videos in the past 5 months, which is a lot for me. It definitely has made me feel a little bit accomplished, and yeah, also the whole thing with my friend's book, I haven't done anything on that. I'm so sorry. But like Kathleen said, year ain't over yet. I promise I'm going to put out more content on my own channel and be on time and stuff. Once my auditions are over, I'll be free as a freaking baby bird. The past 5 months have been a lot of, I don't want to say introspection because I wasn't like sitting and meditating and be like, what is the meaning of life? What is my personality? Who am I? No, it was mostly just me sitting on Tumblr and becoming steadily more obsessed with Korean pop music and Steven Universe. But I feel like I've grown up a little bit in the last year, so the year off was good. I'm happy that I got this chance, and I'm even more excited to see what I can do before September rolls around, and hopefully I am in university. So if you would like, witty people, tell me about all of your various goals and cool things that have been happening in your life since the start of the school year. If you'd like to keep up to date with all things Worldwide Videos, feel free to give us a like on Facebook and follow us on Twitter and Tumblr. And also, don't forget that auditions are actually due today at midnight pretty much, so hopefully this video will be up in time because YouTube takes 1,000,000 hours to upload. But if you want to find out a little bit more about just what your video should be about, check out my link in the description. I'll just put Hannah's info video down there. And we're gonna be welcoming 2 new people onto videos, so that's gonna be really cool. Also, it's my birthday on Monday, so I'm 19 in a couple days. What the hell? I hope you have a lovely week, witty people, and I will see you next Saturday. Bye!